I really think that cow started crying because of the kindness that was displayed from that man. What is wrong with humanity? Like, y'all wouldn't even have the business if it wasn't for the cow. Like, how do you feed your family? How dare you not feed that cow? The nerve. You don't deserve to be a business owner at all. You don't have a business without that cow. We're meant to have him just sitting there with that thing all on his neck, knowing it's hungry and it's thirsty. Shame on you.